I've never seen anyone use the soup packet before. I think that's brilliant.
Well, it has all the flavor.
Yeah.
It's like using a what you call, you know, the bouillon.
Oh,
Right.
so you just eyeball them. How much is that? Oh, that's only a little bit, like half a tablespoon.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just heat up the pot, and then now I
Say hi.
a silent film.
Hello.
I think one of my aunties used to use the, you know, the thicker short ribs, and my grandma, that's who used to. My grandma used to use the short rib because it's so tasty.
Okay, I'm on.
Okay. Oh, plenty, huh? Oh, there's gonna be a lot of meat. Should I just fix the heat, and I put a little sake in it. Not too much. And I just sprinkle some on top. What kind you get from the Chinese restaurants? Pick out. I put salt on top, rock salt. Mint is good, flavor. Okay, I put carrots, cheese off. I don't make that much, so I can eat them. And then
Okay, you can cover them.
yeah, cover them with this.
Oh yeah, I love that. I love that cover. Okay, then.
Hi. Oh, you know what? I need to put some pepper in here.
So cute. I have one of those.
I know, I love this thing. One
It
hand.
is so
I had a
cute.
big one, but I cannot find them. The worst is when you drop them in the whole thing. That's happened. Yeah. Onion soup, one packet. Ooh.
Brilliant.
Yeah, it has a lot of flavor. So,
Thank you. Oh, it smells good.
yeah. So I just put a little sugar. Even though you got carrots in it, I just put like a spoonful because you don't want it to be super sweet. Yeah. I put 1, 2, and I'm gonna put a small one here right now. Yeah. Because it's gotta be all the tastes. And then now that it's all like this, I'm gonna let that sucker cook down.
Okay.
And so I'm gonna put it to 6 because I'm gonna cover it. Let's see. Just cover this like that. Let me taste it. And then it has to be boiling.
Right.
And then I just pour it in the middle and see what happens in it. It depends on how thick you want the stew, is how thick you make it. So it's basically just flour and water. I think it's like 1 part flour to 2 parts water. But see, it's a little thicker now. I'm gonna put a little more in. And the rice just got done. Yeah, it's ready.
Oh, baby.
Yeah, I like the color on this one.
It's beautiful. Can you come to my house and wash dishes?
But I didn't want house.
You're so good.